renew our brotherly bond. Renew our brotherly or ecclesiastical bond. Ano ibig sabihin ng ecclesiastical? Yan ay nagpapatungkol sa iglesia. Hindi yan gamot sa sakit ng tiyan. Renew our ecclesiastical bond. Yung pag-ibig natin sa kapatid. 1 John 4:19 and 21. 1 John 4:19, 21. We love because He first loved us. He has given us this command. Whoever loves God must love his brother, must love his sister. Napakapayak, napakadali